Hello YouTube, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt and a Gamepass. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the create page on Roblox or roblox.com/develop. I'm going to show you how to do t-shirts first. Once you're at the create page, you're going to look at the sidebar. You're going to go to t-shirts. You're going to click choose file. If you want to upload an image for your t-shirt, which is going to be required, you're going to go to the path of where your image is. You're going to select it and change your name. Yay, it's a shirt. And you're going to click upload. And now your shirt is created, but it's not up for sale. What you're going to want to do to make it and put it up for sale is click this gear, go to configure, sales, item for sale, select that, set your price to whatever you want, and you click save. Now if it's not an already published shirt, you will have to pay 10 Robux to upload it. Once you click confirm, it'll update and then your shirt will be for sale. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to do a Gamepass. You're going to want to do the same things as the t-shirt. You go to the create page. In that sidebar, you're going to look for passes instead. You're going to have pass name, description, image, and select from your public experiences. So if you have multiple games open and you want to make a specific pass for a specific game, you can select through and find your game. You're going to choose your image, same as t-shirt, change your name to whatever you want, and a description if you want. Then you're going to click preview. You look at the name, description, the target experience, make sure everything's correct, and then you verify the upload. Now you have a Gamepass created. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this. If you didn't get something, leave a comment down below. I'll certainly help out with it. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.